Hi, hello and welcome everybody to our channel How to Guide, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into US Bank's mortgage account. So if you guys have a mortgage account, then you guys can get mortgage from US Bank. So basically mortgage means loan. So don't get confused, alright? So mortgage means loan and there are different types of mortgage. So you can do that own research depending on the type of mortgage you want. So let me show you how you guys can log in into your account. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's get on with the video. So the first step, search for US Bank mortgage login and click on the second link over here. Over here, just enter the email address which is linked with your account over here and then enter the password of your account over here like this. And then click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your US Bank's mortgage account. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And bye bye everybody.